What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Man, a couple of you guys have told me about the East LA Nike outlet, how they've been having like some sort of weird clearance sale. Like, I don't know. So I had to stop by. Let's go see what we find. Alright, someone who just drove by told me, yeah, they did have 60% off or something. I don't know, this is weird. Alright, yeah, let's see how much I can get on video, because yeah, they might trip. I don't know, we'll see. Alright, I see Jordan 1 boxes. I see all kinds of resellers here. Alright, let's see what the hell is going on. Alright, I've never seen that sign before. That is crazy. That's crazy. What's up with all these fools wearing too much cologne, man? I don't understand. But look at this. Oh my goodness. I haven't seen a bear like this in forever. Resellers having a field day. I'm not really, I don't know. Let's see. $70 for these. Not really seeing anything crazy. Look. So what are they getting rid of? Even got a little heat section, but you know, this regular price, that's a size 7 dunks. That's a size 4.5. These are all regular price. So all regular price. 105 for those. Taxis, size 6. Go for 140. No extra discounts. It said everything's priced as marked. This is a 4.5 right here. More dunks. This is a women's size 7. Size 7 right here. Oh, that's 7.5. My bad. Got women's Jordan. These are all going for retail. Is everybody picking everything up? This is retail too. Okay. And it says priced as marked, so it's not like there's any additional discounts. I haven't seen anything crazy. Alright, I did talk to one of the workers. It is 60% off everything off this wall right here. So that's 60% off. $70 right here. Okay. Now I see what's going on. Resellers are having a field day because it is 60% off. Okay. PG4s right here, 55. Okay, so I don't know, that's like what, 20 bucks, 15 bucks? $15 or something. Oh, my math is all off. It's like 20 something. Enter cores go for 68. That's what, 30 bucks, 30 something. $40 for these. That's a size 9, so 60% off for that. What is that, 20? No, under $20, under 20 bucks. Wow, so $16. I'm looking for stuff for my kid, present. There's like nothing. There's nothing out here. There's some baseball cleats right here. Cortez baseball cleats going for 70, 60 off of that. Literally nothing left. Damn, do you have to come here early in the morning or something? What the F is going on? So yeah, so the resellers are buying everything because look, 60% off of this, 60% off of Jordan Retro. That's ridiculous. That, like, what's the point? I don't really understand why, because you know, we're just gonna be reselling. That's crazy. Blazers. This is regular price though. Vegas Trail 3s go for 70, and then you get that extra. Trainers size 9.5. These are going for 100 and then 60% off. So $40 for these trainers. $40 freaking dollars. That's the size I need, but I don't think they want that one. Jordan ADG golf sneakers going for 185. The hell? Flight Zoom Flies going for 5. Got Zoom Fly 5s going for retail though. Got more LeBron size 10.5 go for 100. Some the Flight 95 size 15 go for 90. I guess this 37s go for 72 right here. This is size 13. Well, next percent go for 100. These are all size 13. 2090s go for 70. These are all refurb items. I stopped looking for my size and looking for my kid size because we can't find nothing, dude. This place is like dry as hell because it's been 60% off all day. I should have came here first. Oh well. $75 for these Metcon Turbos. These are Gently Worn, size 13. TS going for 70. You get that 60 off on top of that. Dragonfly size 15. These are sprinting cleats, right, or something? Yeah, sprinting cleats. 100 bucks. Gently Worn. Bronze going for 80. Those are Gently Worn. Mara 16s going for 75. These are size 15. Jordans. These are the 36s going for 90. That's a size 18 though. Wow. I got these trainers right here going for 90. Dang. Same going on with the kids section as well. Yeah, they're not doing a great job advertising nothing, but word's getting around because look, Totally empty. Man. They're doing a restock. I'm just sitting there waiting. There's a few people actually waiting. I'm just looking for one. All right, I am in the women's section. Look at this, Air Max 95 Quick Strike. This is a size 5 women's. Oh, yeah, size 5 women's. And yeah, it's going for freaking $70, 60% off of that. Holy cow. Size 7, these are going for $110. Get that 60 off. Dang. $100 for these. I'm not digging that color though. Size 8 Air Force One Sculpts going for $90. Holy cow. Alright, so there really isn't that much in the women's. I'm looking around. This place is just all resellers right now. Just tons and tons of people just picking up 50 pairs. The stuff in the aisles kind of the same as most other spots. One of the AMs actually came up to me and told me I can't take video. But we're taking video anyways because we'll talk about that. But yeah, we got some stuff here for a kiddo's birthday this weekend. Alright, so I did find these, and I found presents for a few kids or actually one kid, but they're all so cheap. I'm just gonna give them all to one kid. But yeah, look at this, gently worn. There's no signs of wear. And if a kid wears them, like they're gonna be jacked up, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, 1.5. This is a 1. This is a 1 right here. And then this is, I think, a 12C. So I think it goes from 12 to 13, then 1, then 1.5. But yeah, these are $23. What's 60% off of that? What's that, like $11? $10? That might be $10. These right here, $38. So it's 38 times, I don't know, 60%. So that's what, 20 bucks maybe? 20 bucks at most. And then we got these all white Air Force Ones. Most kids love these. These are under $20. So all of these might be, what, 50 bucks for all 3 pairs. And these are supposedly gently worn. Dude, there's no wear. 0 wear on them. 0 wear. Like, I can't do legit checks, but I can check for if they're worn in that. Especially with kids, you know, kids check stuff up. So, yeah, we'll talk about some of the other deals that I did find. I'm not going to sit here and videotape everything, especially since I came here a week ago and the aisles, like everything's pretty much the same. But we'll go home, we'll talk about the sale. Dang, fleece shorts, $15. They got all kinds of sizes. Are these all smalls? Oh dang, I thought they had all kinds of sizes. They're all smalls. Holy cow. Oh no, they got larges on the bottom. They got larges and bigger size on the bottom. And 60% off all this stuff right here. Some NBA pants right here. $100 and then $60, and then you get 60% off on top of that. So what is that, like 20 bucks? No. It's like $24, $26, my bad. $26. Slow in math today. These go for $70. Normally $100. Remember, this is all 60% off on top of that. Got a couple Lakers shirts. Dang, they're larges. This is a small. This is fire. I would so buy that shirt if it was my size. $40. 60% off. So I don't know, it'd be 26 bucks. This one's only $25. And got this stuff as well. But I don't see anything crazy. I don't see anything. Ooh, this is pretty dope. $60 for these. That's another color maybe. These shorts are $70. 70 bucks. Holy crap. Oh man. Alright, I don't see anything super crazy here. $50 off of those. All the Jordan shirts. Price is what? $22, so $11 each. $30 for this one, so it kind of depends on which. Alright, let's go pay for this and let's get the hell out of here and let's talk. Let's go home and talk. Alright guys, that was the Nike Outlet East LA. Video was a little short, but I tried to get as much information. The only thing is, the shelves were really empty. Shelves were very empty. This was in the evening. And if you go early, man, I think they're going to have a ton of stock. I think they're really going to have a ton of stock. The sale's been going on, I believe, since Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday, one of those. And I wasn't able to get there till Friday evening. And to my knowledge, it's been going on and it's still going on. It should be going on at least till Sunday. But I don't know that for sure. Because, you know, they didn't even have signs posted. They didn't even have signs. I don't think they have signs that say 60% off. I think that's why. I think that up to 50% off, that was like the highest sign that they had, so I think that's why they put that up there. And they don't want to really make bootleg signs like printed and stuff like that, because it just doesn't look, you know, just doesn't look legit. So they really don't want to look like a Ross or Burlington or something like that. So I think that's kind of why they did it. I think they just got a huge shipment, and they're just liquidating the hell out of everything, just getting rid of everything. I didn't get a chance to check. I didn't see any of the refurbished clothing. I was kind of curious to see if the refurbished clothing is also 60% off, because that would be crazy. I went over this, but just, like, the prices are just so freaking crazy. You know, I got these were $38, and then this was you know, this was what is it, 60% off. There's absolutely no wear on it. Usually there's wear on there, and then you could see like little cotton from the socks, stuff like that. Zero wear. It does say what does it say? It does say gently worn, but I just don't believe it in this situation. This says gently worn as well. This was what, $23, so this was what, 11 bucks, 12 bucks, something like that. Just zero wear on it. You know what I'm saying? How many kids would wear this and there's nothing on it? And then Air Force Ones, you know what I'm saying? Like these are just super clean, all white Air Force Ones, no wear on it. This does say gently worn. This is a 1.5, but zero wear. Zero wear on it. Super clean. It does have, I thought all of them did have, yeah, it does have the R symbol on it for refurbished. I think you can kind of see that in there. It's along this side right here, but there is an R. Oh, there it is. You can see it right there. And they are putting that on these shoes. You know, they are trying to show that, hey, they are refurbished and stuff, so they are marking them. I got this one a week ago. I got this one, and if they had this would be the same thing. So $55. This was 55 bucks. This did say gently worn, zero wear on them. There's just nothing, no cotton balls or anything. This one does have the refurbished stamp on it right here. But yeah, you know, I'm not trying to sell these. I got this for a present for a kid's birthday, so I'm going to be giving that to the kiddo for his birthday. And then it normally would have cost $110, so I'm just going to give him the money for the rest of it, because it's not like I'm trying to be cheap. I'm just trying to get value. And you know, nobody's going to know that those are gently worn or whatever. Like I said, they look brand new. It's definitely worth the stop. If you do go there, it's been all resellers, so you're gonna find, if you're a reseller, you're gonna be finding other resellers. If you're a collector or you're buying stuff for presents, you're gonna be finding a bunch of resellers. So in those situations, you just wanna grab stuff. Just wanna grab stuff really quickly. And then after you grab stuff, you look around, you can actually look at the product and make sure it's legit, and make sure it's okay, and make sure there aren't any issues with them. But just be really quick and just grab as much as you can, and then take a look at stuff afterwards, because that's kind of how it works. That's kind of what I do. That's kind of what everybody does, or you have to, because you're never gonna come up. But tons and tons of sales. I don't know how long the sale's been going for, but kind of the craziest sale I've ever seen. I think a lot of people have done are experiencing the same thing. That's why I got messages from some of you guys. That's why even when I walked in, one of you guys told me, hey, yeah, 60% off everything. I was like, holy crap. So yeah, definitely worth the stop. Hope you guys have a chance. And if you guys don't live out here, sorry you guys are missing out, because that's kind of the craziest thing I've ever seen. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for making it to the end. As usual, you guys know the usual. Make sure you guys help a boy out. Make sure you press that like button if you're new. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Got plenty of videos coming. Sorry, man. I've been busy. I've been editing stuff for work. I had to take some video for work and stuff like that. So that's been taking a lot of my time up. So I got all these videos. I'm trying to get them to you guys. I missed the video yesterday, which never really happened. So I do apologize. But it is what it is. You know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, thanks so much, you guys. Got plenty of content coming. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.